Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. When I did my savings challenges video on Friday, I mentioned that I got myself a nail kit, gel nail kit. I have a normal one for normal nail polish, but I didn't realize how pretty easy it was to put gel nail polish on and to cure it. When I went to the nail shop, I realized that I had my toes done as well. They're in perfect condition, but this started peeling. All the nail polish started peeling. So I'm not in any hurry to go back to a nail salon. I really don't. I just don't have the patience to sit down and, you know, have my hands being fussed on. I don't mind it as a treat when I mentally set myself to go and treat myself, or just get out the house, get some fresh air and just do something, take a magazine down there with me or word search, have my pedicure done and my hands done, but not on a regular. And I have to say, I do like my nails being polished on a regular. The only problem is when I do it with regular nail polish, by the time I wash my hands twice, they're off. And it's a bit frustrating because it's an upkeep that I just don't have the time for. So I just thought, out of interest, let me just try this. So this is what I got from Amazon. The kit consisted of the cure machine. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bottles. We've got 2 top coats and 1 base coat, 2 classics. I don't know what they mean by that, but I'll check that out as I go along. And we've got some nail polishes here. I've got here rose gold glitter. Oh, that's pretty. I should put it on a piece of paper, shouldn't I? I won't. Rose gold glitter, that's very pretty. And then we've got nude. That's pretty as well. I like those colours. That's what I chose because it gave you a choice of colours. So there's 2 nudes here. 2 nudes. And 2 rose golds. And I think this is, one's black and one's white. I think this one's white. Great. And this is black. Yep, very nice. That's that. And then it came with this teeny little bottle of glitter. It also came with these 2 files and buffer. And this box is Cuticle Revitalizer Oil. And it's apple scented. OP as well, OPI. They're quite popular in the UK. And this is the nail cleaner, sort of cleaner for the cuticles. I have one of these in my hair and beauty stash already. And the nail clippers, I'm really glad to have this. I've got the slightly bigger ones. And then we've got here the nail remover wrap and the nail prep and cleaner wipe. And it came with this adorable little brush. Do I use this to wipe off the dry glitter? Is this what it's for? If you know, let me know in the comments. I suspect it is. It's so adorable. And then, so that's what's come into the package. That's the mains to plug in. And this is so cute. My daughter came to do my hair on Friday evening, and she used it. She done her toes and went off lovely with pretty toes. She had worn off pink ones when she came and went off with lovely black painted toenails, and they looked really nice. And she used everything that was here. I bought this pure acetone separately because I need to get these nails off, and also this packet of glitters, all sorts of different glitters. I really like that, so pretty. They've got such pretty ones, so I can't wait to experiment, you know, have a little me time, pamper time, maybe sort of like after lunch one day in the week. I'll just sit down and watch something off Netflix and just do my nails, and I'm really looking forward to that. Vanilla Budget did say she would have liked to see this, so here it is, lovey. I hope you're fine, and I can't wait to use this. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. You're a great sport, you really are. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye.